Hello and welcome to the Dahua UK and Ireland Innovation Van. This mobile innovation centre showcases the latest technology from Dahua for you to experience wherever you are across the UK and Ireland. With the latest equipment always installed on board, you can see, feel and experience our solution-enabling capabilities firsthand. Driving innovation to an AI/OT future is our message as we take you on a journey through our world's leading portfolio of video security technologies. From our industry-leading artificial intelligence solutions to thermal and IP with a focus on people and vehicles, and onto high-definition video over coax HD CVI 6.0. Dahua have always been pioneers in the industry, and we invest around 10% of our revenues each year in research and development to ensure we maintain industry leadership.